Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Q50 bumper using an easy method. Start by preparing your workspace and gathering the necessary tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a panel clip removal tool, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Let's get started with the first steps. Now, let's tackle the upper and side fasteners. First, open your hood and carefully remove about 8 plastic clips securing the top cover. Next, you'll find 2 10mm bolts, one on each side, located near the fenders under the hood. After that, turn your front wheels to gain access to the fender liners. Here, remove one 10mm bolt and any plastic clips from each side. With the top and side fasteners handled, it's time to address the underside. There are about 10 10mm bolts securing the bumper from underneath the vehicle. Once those are removed, you can begin gently pulling the bumper from the sides. You'll hear clips disengage as you pull. Remember to work slowly and evenly around the entire bumper to prevent any damage to the plastic. For our final steps, ensure all electrical connections are safely disconnected. Carefully unplug the wiring harnesses for your fog lights and any turn signals. These are typically located behind the bumper. Once all wires are free and all bolts and clips are removed, the bumper should come off smoothly. You might need a second person to help guide it off to prevent any accidental drops or damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.